Stop right there. Tired of wrestling with AI agent setups? Let me show you a secret trick to make Claude instantly spit out a ready-to-use JSON file for your N8N agent, all with a single prompt. No bugs, no headaches, just plug and play. You're gonna love this. Claude will build the entire agent for you. All you need is the right prompt. That's it. Just download the file, and boom, you're ready to upload it straight into N8N. That's it. You're up and running in seconds. I've put together a prompt file for you that lets you generate your own agents in just a couple of minutes. It's all organized into handy categories to make things easier to navigate, like prompts for building marketing agents, for example. Or prompts for building analytics agents. You've got over 100 prompts covering all kinds of use cases. Now let's break down how it all works. Using the prompts is super simple. Grab any prompt from any category. Drop it into Claude. Works with others too, but Claude nails it. You get a clean JSON ready for N8N. Tweak the workflow however you want. Add more features, customize steps. Make it yours. This is our master prompt, the secret sauce for generating exactly the JSON files you need, fast and easy. And in this prompt, you only need to change 3 lines to fit your needs: role, objective, and domain. Alright, let's grab a random prompt and give it a spin. Let's take the video script writer prompt and automate video scripts. This prompt only needs these 3 lines from us. So let's dive in. First up, copy the whole master prompt. You can grab this PDF file in our Discord. It'll be there even before this video goes live, so make sure to join. You'll be able to download all the files, ask questions, and connect with the community. Be one of the first to join and get ahead of the game. Jump into Claude. The free plan works perfectly here. We'll generate everything using Claude Sonnet 4. Drop the master prompt in here and then just change a few lines to get exactly what you need. Let's say we copy the agent role. Just drop it in here. Next, copy the task and paste it in. Now copy the context and paste. Alright, the prompt's all set. Let's go ahead and generate our agent. Now import the downloaded file. Here's the project we ended up with. Now just plug in your credentials into the right nodes, and you're good to go. Let's run it and see what it gives us. In the Google Doc, I get a 90-second video script, exactly what the prompt was designed to generate. By the way, in this case, it generated a script using OpenAI. But since not everyone wants to pay for an API, I'll show you how to test these workflows completely free. Like in this case, I used a free model via OpenRouter. To get your API key, head over to the OpenRouter website. Click on Models, and you'll see a huge list of available models. But we're only interested in the free ones, so just type free in the search bar. Now you'll see all the free models you can start using right away. For example, let's say I want to use this one. The page with details will open, and here we need to go to the API tab. There's a button here to create an API key, but first, of course, you'll need to sign up on the site. A new page will open, and here you just need to select Create API Key. Here you just need to give your key a name. It doesn't affect anything. I'm naming mine DeepSeek, for example. Now click Create. Your key will appear. Make sure to save it somewhere, because you won't be able to copy it again later. Go to your node, create new credentials, and paste in your API key. You'll also need to enter the correct URL. For example, we can't use this URL in that node. We need a different one. This is the one we actually need. Optimize how you use your custom agents. Use your real data, or something close to it, when testing your agents to get the most accurate and relevant results. Test your agents thoroughly, and if something isn't working, try adjusting the input data. Monitor token usage and adjust prompts accordingly. Never include any confidential information in your prompts, no API keys or anything sensitive. And make sure to avoid these common mistakes. They can completely break your agents. For example, don't just say the role is an expert. Instead, be specific, an email marketing expert with 10 years of experience in e-commerce. That way, the agent understands it needs to use deeper, more relevant knowledge, instead of generating random, generic stuff. It's also not helpful to say something vague like, "You're a copywriter? Write well." What really matters is giving your agent clear, detailed instructions about what it's supposed to do. The more specific you are, the better the results will be, and the happier you'll be with the outcome. Whenever possible, include 2 to 3 examples. An agent without examples is basically a lottery, and don't forget, you can always ask it to revise or add something later, so it's super easy to adjust as you go. Listen up, you gotta jump in now and jump in fast. Everyone's buzzing about AI agents right now, and the race to build the best ones is on. If you don't get ahead of the curve, you'll be stuck playing catch-up while others are already crushing it. This is the moment to stake your claim and start creating agents that work for you, making your life easier and your projects way smarter. The space is exploding. Creators, marketers, developers, and beginners alike are all rushing to build their own AI assistants, workflows, and automations. But here's the secret. The ones who get in early and learn how to do it right will dominate. Don't wait until everyone else is miles ahead with perfected workflows and expert prompts. That's why I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. The tools, the prompts, the step-by-step guides, so you can start building your AI agents today, no matter your skill level. Get in early, experiment, and watch how quickly you can level up your game. Trust me, this is not something you want to miss. Basically, this document is your go-to foundation for building AI agents. It doesn't just make creating them way easier. It also sparks ideas about what kinds of agents you can actually build. This is especially clutch if you're new and just starting your journey with N8N. I'm here to simplify things for you with every new video, breaking down the complex stuff into easy, actionable steps. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps me keep bringing you awesome content. Plus, jump into our Discord community where you can ask questions, share ideas, and grab all the files before new videos even drop. Trust me, that early access gives you a serious edge. It's all about helping you get ahead and crush it from day one. Stick around because the best is yet to come.